Right, here we go. This car looks awesome. Straight away you can see this is a MCLAREN 570S Spider, and it's finished in this absolutely beautiful metallic blue with all the dark palladium accents on the car. So it really does accentuate the shape, the styling and the aero on this car. Straight away there you're going to see the diamond turn wheels. Lovely dark palladium, this blue again. Near around to the rear of the car, it's got the sports exhaust system. It's a 2018 car. It's only done 13,164 miles. It's not done a lot of mileage, but it just sits so well. Obviously, yes, got some ceramics, but look, when you get inside this car, it gets even better. So straight away there, you're going to see Bose and Wilkins. You're going to see that lovely lighter interior. You're also going to see the carbon fibre centre console, and around the steering wheel, the paddles and everything else. So great car. 2018 MCLAREN 570S, done just under 13,160 miles on the website today. That is a cracking car. Come and see us at Scott Hardy Automotive. Thank you.